This is an unboxing video and installation guide for the OEDRO floor mats for the 2015-2019 Ford Escape. So I've got the old mats down here just so you can see the quality there. These new ones are super heavy duty. Looks like they're going to collect any sort of liquids, dirt, and dust directly in them. Stock fitment, so they snap right in. Comes with a manual and some extra snap pieces here. So, see how easy this is. Essentially, I think it goes this way, and we're just going to lay these down nice and flush right in the back seat. It's going to go right over the wheel well here. So that's the left side, very easy, just pushed right down in there. You can see it's a factory fit. This side we're just gonna push it down, pull it back a little bit so it goes under the seat. And voila. Super simple, super easy. Factory fit, covers the back right there. Perfect. Okay, front seat. We just gotta figure out which one goes on which side. Got a bin here for each side. Pretty sure this one, because it has no snaps here, is gonna be the passenger side. Again, super easy. We're just going to basically make room, let it fold just a little bit, and boom, sticks right in there. Pretty awesome. These are very high quality. Pretty much similar to what you would get through WeatherTech. Okay, last one. Driver's side here, a little more special because it probably gets the most use. It has the snaps there from factory. So we're just going to do the same thing as we did before. Slide it right underneath there. Find those factory push snaps. So right there. Push snap, nice, sticks right in. Let's see, probably a little bit of pressure, step on those, and you're good to go. Fits right in. All right.